Hello guys, for today's video guys, I have to I hand wash the clothes because yesterday gihuluman ako ba sa banang sa in English I soak yesterday all the clothes for remove the all dirty because very dirty because the kids too much dirty always playing so now so Langga is sleep and the ati here and see ati is here sleep ati ati sleeping sleep ati sleep hindi sleep hindi sleep ay sleep glawal hindi here sleep ati here in the Philippines is what time is it? 3:56 p.m. So now the two kids is already asleep. So now I have to work hand wash quickly for become finished, no? So bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.